Hello everybody, welcome to Vandy's World. Let's prepare jelly today. All kids at home would want you to prepare this. So rather than buying it outside, let's prepare this at home. Let's get started. I am taking 2 cups of water, 500 ml of drinking water. Then take 100 grams of sugar or half a cup of sugar. I have taken 5 teaspoons of gelatin or 20 grams of gelatin. I'm going to prepare pineapple flavor, therefore I'm taking lemon yellow food color and pineapple flavor or essence. 1 lemon because we need half lemon juice. Let us add half a cup of water to 5 teaspoons of gelatin and make a mixture. Leave this for 2 to 3 minutes once gelatin is completely dissolved. Start off with making sugar syrup. Take a pan and add water. Then add sugar and let it nicely dissolve in the water. It needs to come to a bubble. Add lemon juice. You can add up to half or 1 because pineapple flavor you need to the tangy flavor. It's a good mix. Make sure to always keep the flame on medium. Do not leave it on high flame. We also add lemon juice so that it doesn't crystallize. Now the sugar syrup has started to bubble. Can you see that bubble? It's time to now add in gelatin mixture into the sugar syrup and mix it nicely. Also make sure to keep the flame on medium to low. Keep stirring the gelatin continuously after adding into the sugar syrup, and the consistency of this mixture should slightly thicken. Don't make it or remove it from flame when it is still watery. So it is slowly starting to thicken, but it needs to thicken more. It needs to start bubbling. Cook this for like 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes thick. I don't mean the very thick consistency, but slightly sticky consistency. It's been 2 to 3 minutes now. The sugar gelatin syrup is nicely bubbling. We'll stop at this stage. Let's pour in the gelatin sugar syrup into the heat-proof mold. In case you're using a plastic mold, I repeat, use it only after it cools down. I have taken heat-proof glass container, therefore I can use the warm mixture into it. But in case you're using a plastic mold like what I'm showing here, do not pour in the hot mixture immediately. Let the mixture come to room temperature and then you can set it up in plastic containers as molds. In another small bowl, I've taken 2 to 3 tablespoons of the same syrup and I'm adding the color into it and mix it well. Now you can add any color or flavor of your choice. It all depends on what you want. I like pineapple, so I'm making pineapple jelly. We have added the color. Now it's time to add in the pineapple essence for flavor. So I'm adding the liquid into the plastic bowl. Now the liquid is completely cooled down. So remember, plastic mold if you're using, let the liquid completely come to room temperature. Let's leave this to set in the refrigerator. The jelly is nicely set. Can you see that? It is soft and it's bouncing when I just touch it. It's very nicely set. So let's cut into pieces. Cut the jelly into the desired shapes you require. There are no specific shapes. Any shape you require, you can cut it into. Use a sharp knife. Presenting homemade pineapple jelly just for you. So can you see so soft and transparent and beautiful it looks? So don't miss out this recipe. Try this at home and give it to your kids. I dedicate this recipe for all the cuties in your home and my home, especially Rian, Neil, Suhan, Aradhna, Matthew, Ira baby and all other cuties. So enjoy this recipe at home. If you like this video, give it a like. Do share this recipe with your family and friends and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Click on the bell icon for notifications of all my videos. See you in my next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.